Precision engineering at a top-class level. The most advanced CNC technologies. Decades of experience in a specific production of Anilox rollers that are a perfect base for rubber or any other material coating, used for example in printing industry. High quality measured in microns. Innovative and modern machine park with expertise in metal machining services. Metal machining projects tailored to your needs, from design to production of varied constructions in metal for many industries. You will find it all at TECH Binkowski, a family-owned company located in a charming part of Western Poland.